Springtime in Paris is pure magic. Charming streets, blooming gardens, and a fresh elegance in the air. But what if you could bring that same enchantment into your home? In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets to creating a Parisian-inspired spring interior that feels effortlessly chic, airy, and inviting. From soft pastel palettes to classic French furniture, we'll guide you through every detail to transform your space into a dreamy Parisian retreat. Stay with us till the end, where we'll share some expert styling tips that will truly elevate your decor. And if you love home design, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Home & Harmony. The foundation of a Parisian spring interior starts with the right color palette, a delicate mix of soft pastels and timeless neutrals. Imagine the gentle hues of a blooming Parisian garden, blush pinks reminiscent of cherry blossoms, powder blues inspired by the early morning sky, and soft sage greens mirroring fresh spring leaves. These tones create an airy, inviting ambiance while maintaining an elegant, understated look. The key is to use these colors sparingly. Parisian interiors are never overwhelming. Instead of fully repainting walls, try introducing these shades through decor elements like linen curtains, a subtly patterned area rug, or a classic vintage lamp. To create the perfect Parisian-inspired balance, pair pastels with neutral tones like warm white, cream, or soft beige. These neutral hues act as the backdrop, allowing the pastel accents to stand out without overpowering the space. A great way to achieve this look is by using layered textures, a whitewashed wooden floor with a muted floral rug, or a cream-colored couch adorned with pastel silk pillows. And don't forget about natural light. Parisian homes are all about enhancing brightness. Opt for sheer curtains that let in soft sunlight, making every color feel even more ethereal. Follow these simple steps to curate a Parisian-inspired interior that feels both sophisticated and inviting. Step 1. Set the foundation with a Parisian color palette. Start by embracing a soft, dreamy color palette. Think muted pastels, warm neutrals, and delicate floral hues like blush pink, soft lavender, and creamy beige. Keep your walls light and airy. Classic white or a subtle eggshell shade will create a bright, elegant canvas for the rest of your decor. Step 2. Choose timeless, Parisian-inspired. Furniture Parisian interiors blend old-world charm with modern simplicity. Look for vintage-inspired furniture with elegant curves, carved details, and luxurious upholstery. A tufted chaise lounge, a marble-topped bistro table, or a gilded mirror can instantly elevate your space. Don't be afraid to mix modern minimalism with antique accents for a curated, lived-in feel. Step 3. Elevate the look with textures and layers. Add depth by layering different textures. Think soft linen curtains, plush velvet cushions, and delicate lace tablecloths. Incorporate an elegant area rug with classic French patterns like damask or florals to bring warmth and cohesion. Step 4. Add art, accessories, and statement. Decor Parisians love artful, understated accessories. Frame vintage Parisian sketches or botanical prints, add ornate candle holders, and display a stack of beautifully bound books. Fresh flowers like peonies or tulips in a simple ceramic vase will add a refreshing touch of springtime elegance. Step 5. Perfect the ambiance with soft lighting, finish with warm, romantic lighting. Opt for crystal chandeliers, vintage-inspired sconces, or warm-toned table lamps with dimmable settings. Soft, natural light should be your best friend. Keep window treatments sheer and minimal to let the sunshine pour in. And voila! With these simple yet stunning steps, you can effortlessly create a Parisian spring interior that feels timeless, chic, and oh so inviting. The beauty of Parisian interior design lies in its ability to seamlessly mix classic and contemporary elements. Traditional French-style furniture like a Louis XVI armchair, an antique wooden console, or an ornate gilded mirror can serve as statement pieces, grounding your space with historical charm. But to keep the look fresh and modern, balance these timeless pieces with contemporary simplicity. Perhaps a sleek glass coffee table, minimalist floating shelves, or a modern brass pendant. Light. This juxtaposition creates a space that feels lived in, stylish, and effortlessly chic. When selecting furniture, think about functionality and elegance. A vintage bistro table paired with modern upholstered chairs can transform your dining area into a scene straight out of a Parisian cafe. For the living room, an elegant settee can be softened with cozy cushions, while a simple yet elegant marble-top side table adds refinement without excess. And remember, Parisian homes never feel over-decorated. Less is more. Opt for a few well-curated statement pieces rather than filling your space with too many items. This will create that effortless, collected-over-time aesthetic that defines true Parisian style. Parisian interiors are all about effortless layering, where different textures and materials come together to create a space that feels warm, inviting, and full of character. Imagine a plush velvet armchair next to a delicate lace-trimmed curtain, or a rustic wooden dining table topped with a soft linen table runner and elegant porcelain dinnerware. These combinations add depth and personality to your space, making it feel curated and refined. To achieve this effect, mix and match natural textures like linen, cotton, rattan, marble, and antique brass to create a balanced yet interesting composition. When layering textiles, start with a neutral foundation, a linen-upholstered sofa, a subtly textured wool rug, or a crisp white cotton duvet. Then add accents that provide contrast and warmth. A knitted throw blanket, embroidered cushions, or sheer flowing drapes can instantly make your space feel more inviting. For an extra touch of Parisian charm, incorporate vintage-inspired details like fringed edge pillows, a tasseled ottoman, or a woven rattan chair. The key is to create a look that feels effortlessly chic, as if each element has been carefully collected over time, rather than styled all at once. Parisian interiors embrace the philosophy that less is more, and that applies to accessories as well. The right statement pieces can elevate your space without making it feel cluttered. Gilded mirrors are a staple in Parisian design. Not only do they reflect natural light, making your space feel more open, but they also add a touch of old-world charm. A large, ornately framed mirror leaned against the wall or hung above a console instantly creates an elegant focal point. Pair this with vintage-inspired candelabras or delicate porcelain vases, and you have a refined, sophisticated look that feels effortlessly curated. For a truly Parisian touch, focus on quality over quantity. A few well-placed pieces, a decorative tray on a coffee table, a crystal perfume bottle on a vanity, or a hand-picked floral arrangement can make a bigger impact than filling every surface with decor. Choose fresh flowers like peonies, tulips, or lavender to add a natural, romantic feel to your home. A small stack of coffee table books with a chic candle on top creates an understated yet stylish look. The goal is to make your space feel elegantly lived in, as though each piece has been thoughtfully chosen over time rather than purchased all at once. Parisian interiors have a unique way of making artwork feel both effortless and intentional. The secret? Mixing different art styles while maintaining an overall cohesive look. Black and white photography, delicate sketches, and classic oil paintings all coexist beautifully in a Parisian home. Unlike traditional gallery walls, which are meticulously arranged, Parisian-style walls often feature art that is casually leaned against the wall on a mantel or bookshelf. This approach creates a more relaxed and lived-in feel, giving the space an artistic, effortlessly chic ambiance. To achieve this aesthetic, consider using a mix of vintage and contemporary pieces. A softly toned abstract painting next to a framed botanical sketch, or a simple gold-framed portrait beside a modern line drawing creates a dynamic yet cohesive display. If your walls feel too plain, adding decorative wall molding can instantly elevate the space, giving it that classic Parisian apartment feel. The key is to avoid anything that looks too staged. Parisian homes embrace imperfection and spontaneity, allowing personality to shine through in every curated detail. There's something undeniably charming about Parisian cafe culture. The slow mornings with a croissant and espresso, the intimate corners where people read or sketch, and the soft hum of conversation in the background. The good news? You can. Bring that same atmosphere into your own home by creating a cozy Parisian nook. Start by choosing a quiet corner with good natural light. A small round bistro table paired with vintage-style chairs instantly evokes the feel of a quaint cafe. If space allows, a plush bench or tufted settee can add comfort while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. Once you have the basic furniture, it's time to add character. A stylish table lamp, a few well-worn books stacked beside a delicate vase of fresh flowers, and a small framed artwork casually leaned against the wall create that effortlessly curated Parisian charm.
Consider adding a soft linen or lace tablecloth for a touch of old-world elegance. And don't forget the finishing detail, a vintage-inspired espresso machine or French press placed nearby, so you can enjoy the full cafe experience right in
your own home. This cozy nook isn't just a design statement. It's a space where you can slow down, savor the moment, and embrace the simple pleasures of Parisian living. With just a few thoughtful touches, you can transform your home into a Parisian-inspired spring sanctuary, where every detail feels elegant, airy, and effortlessly chic. By incorporating soft pastels, timeless furniture, layered textures, and carefully curated accessories, you create a space that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. The beauty of Parisian decor lies in its simplicity and charm, where nothing feels forced, yet everything looks perfectly in place. Whether it's a gilded mirror reflecting the morning light, a cozy bistro nook for your daily coffee ritual, or a carefully styled console table adorned with fresh flowers, every little element adds to the magic of your home. Now it's time to bring your vision to life. Let us know in the comments which Parisian decor idea you're most excited to try. And if you love home design, make sure to subscribe to Home & Harmony so you never miss a new inspiration-filled video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who loves Parisian style as much as we do. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.